Let's take a look at how to knit beautiful lace diamonds. This is the front of the work and this is the reverse. Hello knitting friends, and a big welcome back to Knit the Stitch. Today I'm knitting this beautiful all over lace diamond pattern. It's made using your basic knits and purl stitches with yarn overs and knit two togethers. It's the yarn overs which create the spaces between the diamonds, and the knit two togethers and the SSKs make the diamond shape. A single pattern repeat is from here to here, so one whole diamond is a pattern repeat. It's knit over 12 rows, half of which are all on the wrong side, so are purl rows, so only 6 actual pattern rows to follow. You can see that the edges do want to curl in, and you could easily add a few more stitches at the sides in garter stitch just to stop it rolling if that's what your project needs. It would look nice knit into a beautiful summer garment or maybe a shawl. So let's have a look at how to knit the diamond lace. As I mentioned, it's knit over a 12-row repeat from the bottom of one diamond to the top, and over multiples of 8 stitches plus 1 extra stitch. I've gone ahead and cast on 17 stitches, which is 8 times 2, 16, plus 1 extra stitch to give me 17, and I've completed one full 12-row repeat already. So grab your needles and some yarn and let's get going with the knitting. Row 1 with the right side facing. Start with a knit one, that's the edge stitch. Then we start the pattern repeat. The repeat appears between the asterisks in the written pattern. I'll put the written pattern down in the description box below for you. So we start with a knit one, knit 2 together, yarn over, and a knit one, yarn over, SSK, slip, slip, return those to the left hand needle and knit them together. Knit 2, 1 and 2, and that's the pattern repeat. I have 2 repeats to do here on my needle, so I need to do that again. Knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, SSK and knit 2. That brings me to the end of row 1, row 2, and all the wrong side rows are purl rows. So simply purl all the stitches on wrong side rows, and that's easy to remember. When you come to a yarn over from the previous row, just go ahead and purl that as though it was just an ordinary stitch. Purling all the way to the end of my stitches. Turning the work for row 3, knit 1, knit 2 together. This is where the repeat starts again between the asterisks. Yarn over, knit 3, 1, 2 and 3, yarn over, slip, slip, knit, that's SSK, knit 1, and again repeat the part between the asterisks. Knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 3, 1, 2 and 3, yarn over, SS, knit, SSK, and knit the final stitch. Row 4. Row 4 is a purl row. If you don't need to watch me purl every stitch, you can skip forwards a bit to the end of the purl rows, ready to start the next row with me. Row 5. Row 5 starts with a knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then we have another yarn over and an SK2PO. So that's slipper stitch, knit 2 together and pass the slipped stitch over the 2 you've just knit. We'll do all that again. Yarn over and knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and another yarn over. And now because I only have 2 stitches left at the end of this row, I'm going to SSK, slip, slip, knit, and there we are. Turning the work for row 6. Row 6 is a purl row. I post new stitch pattern videos at least once a week, so be sure that you've subscribed and then you won't miss out on any. And remember, you can pause and catch up whenever you need to. Row 7. Starting again with a knit 1 for row 7. Yarn over, SSK, knit 3. I'm knitting 1, 2 and 3. Knit the next 2 stitches together, yarn over, knit 1. One more repeat, yarn over, SSK, knit 3, 1, 2 and 3, knit 2 together, yarn over and knit 1. Row 8 is a purl row. I'm getting ready to knit row 9. Knit 1. The pattern repeat starts knit 1, yarn over, SSK, knit the next stitch, knit 2 together, another yarn over, and knit 2, 1 and 2, knit 1, yarn over, SSK, knit 1, knit the next 2 stitches together, yarn over and knit 2. Row 10 is a purl row. Turning the work for row 11. Row 11 again begins with a knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over, SK2PO, slip 1 stitch, knit 2 together, pass the slipped stitch over the 2 which have been knit together, yarn over, knit 3, 1, 2 and 3, and we'll repeat that one final time, knit 2, yarn over, SK2PO, yarn over, knit 3. And the final row, row 12, is another purl row. So I'll go ahead and just finish this. Thank you very much for watching. Please comment below and let me know what you like knitting and which are your favourite stitch patterns. And there we have it. That's the end of row 12. And I've completed another pattern repeat. This one I had already, and I've just done from here to here. And that's all there is to the diamond lace pattern. Join me next time for more wonderful stitch patterns, and until then, enjoy knitting all your stitches.